Hello, my name is Tanya Tidy, and in this video, I will show you how to cut and sew plaid fabrics. But before that, I want to thank you for purchasing this video. Thanks to your purchases, I can create new videos and share my experiences. Take your plaid fabric and fold it right sides inward. Carefully study how the plaid pattern is positioned next to the fabric selvage. Find the repeating rapport and match it up. Combine the pattern using pins, pinning together the intersections of identical lines. Pin the pattern by the size of the rapport. The pattern should only be pinned along the selvage. This way, we'll find the actual center of the fabric. When you reach the fold, mark it with chalk. This line will indicate the limits up to which you can cut parts. Once you have marked the middle, remove the pins. Unroll the fabric in one layer. Draw the middle line marked earlier. Draw strictly along the line that will be your center. Fold the fabric in half along this line. If at this stage your plaid doesn't align, don't worry, we can fix it later. From the selvage, mark a line strictly along a line parallel to the edge. Use a ruler to align the fabric.